So this is a vegetable market in Bhutan, Paro. So you can see. So it's a small market, but you can get all the vegetables and fruits from here. People are buying. This is just beside the road, so you can see. Okay, people are just stopping their vehicle, and then they are buying whatever they want. Okay, just roadside shops, roadside vegetable shop. And there are some restaurants also. Uh, the view is extraordinary. You can see. Hello, Mr. Albert.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So we all are going from Paro to Thimphu now. So you can see. Okay, see you soon.